In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ExifInjector Image SEO Audit tool to check if your image is ready for SEO. Many images look fine visually, but they may have SEO problems. A bad file name, large file size, missing IPTC title, missing keywords, no copyright metadata, or the wrong format. ExifInjector gives you an instant image SEO score and a clear fix checklist, so you know exactly what is good and what needs improvement. First, open the Image SEO Audit tool. Upload your image by clicking Browse or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. After the image is uploaded, click Run Image SEO Audit. The tool will analyze the file name, image format, file size, metadata, keywords, copyright, GPS location, and dimensions. Here we can see the audit result. This image gets an A score, 90 out of 100. It has several passing checks, like a descriptive file name, optimized file size, IPTC title, description, keywords, copyright, and no GPS location. But the audit also shows warnings. For example, the format can be improved by converting to WebP or AVIF, and the image dimensions may be too small for some platforms. The best part is that every issue links directly to the right fix tool, so you can improve the image faster without guessing. Try ExifInjector Image SEO Audit today, check your images before publishing, and make every image stronger for SEO.